Hi, it's Hardreset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Motorola Moto Now 60. First, scroll from the top and open the Bluetooth settings. Now, once again, scroll and disable the Bluetooth, and along enable the airplane mode. Now disable the airplane mode and enable Bluetooth back on. Now hit the gear next to your connected device and forget. We need to now pair new device and try once again with the same device. Hit pair. And if you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the connected device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.